Many people want to create a website, but they think it is difficult, expensive, or needs coding skills. The truth is, today anyone can build a website for free, even if you are a complete beginner. So you don't need to know the coding, design, or technical terms. You only need some time, internet, and the right platform. In this video, I will show you how to build a Wix website for free in around 10 minutes. And it will be a step-by-step process and very simple way. A website is very important for personal brands, small business, freelancers, online stores, and even students. It helps you to look professional and gives people a place to learn about you or your business. Wix is one of the easiest website builders available. It works with drag and drop. That means you can build a website just by clicking and moving things on the screen. In this video, I will explain everything slowly so even first-time users, they can follow without any confusion. But before that, welcome back to the Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help the beginners to use the powerful tools easily. In today's video, we will learn how to build a Wix website for free in just 10 minutes. If you want to create your first website without stress, make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the description to access the Wix directly and follow along with me. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, you need to open Wix website. Go to your browser and type wix.com. Then hit enter. Once the website opens, you will see the option to sign up or log in. So click on this get started. Now simply fill out the email, then choose your password and click on sign up. Or if you want, then you can go with this Google. So click on this continue with Google for faster account creation. Okay, so creating the account, this step is completely free and it takes less than 1 minute. And if you have already the account, then you can simply log in. Next thing is, Wix will ask you to some basic questions. Don't worry, this is just to understand what type of website you want. It may ask if you are creating a website for business, portfolio, blog, or personal use. So I have already created this account before, so you just need to choose whatever fits for your best. If you are confused, you may simply select the business or personal. There is no wrong answer here. So Wix uses this information to suggest the designs. Okay, so once you are in the Wix, you can see there is a drop down. Just click here and you can see there is website design, then the website template. In this video, we are going to select the choosing template and editing it ourselves. For beginners, I recommend choosing the template so you can see and control everything clearly. Okay, so let's click on this. And here Wix will show some templates and you can filtering out here according to your needs. Basically, in this template category, you can find any kind of categories like the business, online store, services, portfolio, and blog. So just click on the category and find out that match your goal. So in this case, let's say I want to go with this one. Okay, so if you want, then you can click on this view to get a overview about this template. But simply, I will click on this edit. Okay, so this is our template and we are going to edit this according to our need, our business, or our preferences. You can see we are on the Wix editor. Here you can see all the options here. Okay, let's open this. And I will suggest you, before creating or editing your template, you just explore all of this feature and all of these tools so that you can understand where is the tool and what is that. Basically, this is the main screen where you build your website. Don't feel scared if it feels new. So on the left side here, you can see all this menu here, like the text, button, images, sections, so all of this. And in this middle here, you can see your website preview. You can click anything, which one you want to change, like the text, the image, the button, or anything, whatever it is. Okay, let's start with editing text. Click on any text on this page. You can type your own name, business name, or message. For example, I'm going to replace this to our channel name, like. Okay, so you can replace the default heading with your name or website title. You can also change the font size. So just select this heading or text. Now click on this edit text and you can see it's selected. Now you can just change the size of your font. Okay, let's say like this 50 is okay for me. Let's keep it 50 and it's okay. If you want, then you can change the color. Here let's change the color to red or blue or white, or any custom color you can add from here. So let's keep it black and close this. Now you can change the style from here. Okay, so you can see all of this, and if you want, then you can change the font name for the text style, but I will suggest to keep it simple and readable. Next, let's change the image. So let's say we want to change this image. Just click on it to select this. Now Wix gives you free images, or you can upload your own photos. If you don't have images, you can use the Wix free stock images. So to do that, just click on this change image here, and you can see there are some features to edit this image. Now click on this change image to replace that, and here you can see the upload media. If you want, then you can upload your local images, or if you want, then you can use the AI image generator to create the images by the help of AI. Okay, so you can use this to write your prompt here, and you can select the style and then click on generate. Okay, let's create a image here. So I'm just selecting this for the Illustrator and writing here. Okay, so I'm just right here, easy access tech logo, and I select the Illustrator. Let's click on this create image. You can see it's created. Now just click on this use image, okay, and click on this save. Now this image is saved to our store. Now by selecting this, now click on this choose image, and you can see the image is replaced or changed. Now this is how you can change any image on the website template. If you want, then you can edit this image. If you want, then you can add filters and many more. Now here you can see after changing the image, our text is hidden here. If you want, then you can just move it by simply dragging it, and that's it basically. That's easy it is. But my suggestion is, if it is a business website, use clean and professional images. So it is not like that, but it was just a method to show you how to change your image. Now let's talk about this section. A section is a full block like about us, services, or contact. To add a new section, just click on this add section. As simple it is. And here you can see there is 3 options like design section, AI, and the add element. I will suggest to design section, or if you want, then you can use the AI. So I'm just going with this design section. You can see there are some template option here like the category, which kind of section you want. Let's say I want a services section and I like this one. So just simply select this and drag it to your website. That simple it is. You can see the section is added to your website. Now if you want, then you can change the size, just simply dragging it. And now just change the text, the icon, or whatever you want to change to match your brand theme. You just don't need to worry about writing the perfect content. Simple and clear is more than enough. Okay, alright, now let's talk about the pages. On the left menu, on the top of this, you can see the pages. Simply click on this down arrow and you can see all of the pages of your website template here, like the home, about, contact, and everything. Just click on this manage pages and you can see all of the pages in organized here. Now, if you want, then you can add a new page by clicking on this add new page, and it will add to your site menu. But for beginners, I think 3 to 4 pages are more than enough, like home, about, services, and the contact. That are more than enough to start. So once your content is ready, let's check the mobile view. Okay, so close this. Now on the top bar here, you can see the mobile icon. Just switch to the mobile by clicking here. Most people visit websites from mobile phones. So Wix automatically adjusts your site for mobile, but you can still move the things slightly if needed. So make sure text is readable and buttons are easy to click. Okay, so alright, now let's talk about the savings and publishing. Wix automatically save your work and editing, but it is good to click on this save. Now click on this save and continue, and that's it. Now when you are ready, your content all is edited and completed, just simply click on this publish, like here. Wix will ask you to choose a website address. For free websites, Wix give a subdomain like your name, then dot, then Wix site, then .com, like this one. This is completely fine for beginners and it costs nothing. So after publishing, your website is live. You can share it with your friend by using the link to your clients or on social media. You can edit your site anytime, just log into Wix and make changes and just publish it again. So many beginners ask if Wix free websites are enough. The answer is yes for starting. You can learn, practice and grow. Later, if you want a custom domain or remove Wix ads, you can upgrade. But for learning and basic use, the free plan is more than enough. So lastly, building a website is not difficult anymore. With Wix, anyone can create a website in just 10 minutes without coding or design skills. So start simple, don't overthink, and improve step by step. Your first website does not need to be perfect, it just needs to exist. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you to understand how to build a Wix website for free, then give this video a like and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more beginners friendly tech tutorials and business guide. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.